Hi everyone, this video is to show you how to make a plot in Excel that has multiple series on it or multiple plots, and how to do that when the data aren't right next to each other. So I want to find out how average species richness changes over time, just like you guys are going to do with this activity. This is the same spreadsheet, but I have a set of random data in here. So I'm going to click in cell A3, drag down to A12. I'm holding down the Control key in the lower left of my keyboard, clicking C3 and dragging down to C12. Then I go to the Scatter Chart button, and I can pick any of the scatter plots that I like. I like this one. You can pick your own. So now I have one set of data plotted there, but if I want to compare how species richness changes over time on large versus small islands, I can add my small island data too. So I'm going to right click up here in the white space in my graph, click Select Data, add a new series, and I'm going to call it Small for my small islands. I'm clicking this box under X values, and I'm going to tell it the X values I want it to use, which are rounds 1 through 10. So that's A13 through A22. And click this box again, click the box under the Y values, click from C13, drag to C22, click this box again, and you can see these orange dots just popped up. So I'm going to click OK. While I'm here, I'm going to edit the name of my first series and call it Large, because it represents the large islands. Click OK. Now I have these dots, but I don't know what they mean. I need to add a legend. So I can go to the chart elements adding symbol here, or I can go up here and to add chart element. So here I can go and say add a legend on the right, top, left, or bottom. I can also add all the same chart elements by clicking this plus sign. The next thing I need is axis titles. You can hover over this arrow to see, do you want a horizontal and a vertical axis? I do, so I'm going to leave them like so. I can change my axis titles so they actually say something. I'm going to click Control Z because I didn't mean to drag that. And then the last thing I'm going to do is change my chart title. So I can say something like so that's how I did it. Your data should look quite different. This is from a random number generator, and yours will actually have been collected. But that's how you do it. Send me an email if you have any questions.